Hi guys! Another parts, another day na naman tayo. In this video, may nag-order sa atin. Another new order siya actually for a Honda Civic Type R FK8 na brake pads. Marami tayong brake pads for Honda Civic Type R. We also have other brake pads for almost all vehicles, guys. So kung sakali na nangangailangan kayo, let me know and mabibigyan namin kayo ng quotation. So anyway, pupunta tayo ng LBC because this time around, si client is from Tiaong, Quezon naman. So papadala natin to sa kanya. So samahan nyo ako today, punta tayo ng LBC. Tara! Dito na tayo ngayon sa LBC again and papadala na natin yung Civic Type R na brake pads, front and rear naman this time, to Tiaong, Quezon. So yeah, kuya. So yun guys, another done deal na naman tayo. Maraming salamat kay sir. On the way to Tiaong na yung inong order. Kung sakaling nangangailangan kayo ng parts, please message me. And that's it. Hope to see you all on the next video. Paalam.